Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you. I'm cooking a pasta today. I thought I'd share that with you. This is orecchiette. It's got some different spellings, but the authentic one comes from Italy. You must get the one from Italy. Orecchiette means little ears. And there's so many ways to cook this pasta. You can do garlic herb, chicken stock. You can cook it with fish. You can do it with chicken or beef, meat, all different ways. The little ears are really cool. So today I'm making a marinara sauce and using tomatoes. This tomato's pretty nice. However, you want them cooked down and more fortified. That's where we move into something like this one here, a concentrated tomato. Again, the best one are these plum tomatoes from Italy, but get what you can. So orecchiette, here we go. I'm using a couple of onions. Here's the recipe. 2 small onions, 4 cloves of garlic, chop it up. No need to mince it. It's going to cook down in the sauce. Words of wisdom. Aha. Quite a bit of fresh basil. Look at that basil. Ah, ooh, very nice. And we're also going to add a little bit of chicken. The chicken's mostly for flavor. So follow along, here we go. Okay, in a nice marinara sauce, carrots are optional. I choose to put a carrot today, so that's going to go in there as well. Garlic, we're going to just give it a little smash like this. Each one of these. Peel it up real quick. And we're going to just chop it up. So the garlic, onions, and carrots cook down and disappear right into the sauce. It's all about the flavor. Yeah. Okay, I've got a hot pan here, a saucepan. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Onions and garlic. And you let it cook. Tablespoon of sugar. Time for the tomatoes. The whole can goes right in. Rinse that can out. Let it cook at least 20 minutes. At this point I like to chop my basil, and I'm going to put about half of this into the sauce. Again, just kind of a rough chop. Just like this. And now half of this basil is going to go right in the sauce. Oh yeah. And we stir it up like that. Ah. Okay, I got 3 quarts of boiling water, and I'm going to do half the pound of the orchiette. Salted water, of course. Oh yeah, the marinara is simmering, looking really, really good. The orchiette, we cook it al dente, and it's coming along really nice. And at the same time, I'm sauteing some of this chicken, get it a little bit crispier. Oh yeah, how's that look? Please make sure to leave a comment about this pasta. Chefs want to know what you think, what you like, and what you want to see next. The cooked orchiette, we drizzle a little bit of oil on this and let it air dry. Okay, plating up the orchiette. Here we go. The finished marinara sauce. Looking really, really nice. Orchiette pasta. It's a nice portion like this. Chicken, just a few pieces, complement the dish. And we're going to put a little bit of the chopped basil on top, like this. Parmigiano Reggiano. Fresh grated is best. And we're going to finish this with a sprig of fresh basil. Oh yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my pasta recipe. Make sure to click that little like button. You can subscribe right down there in the video. Click that little button right there. Share with your friends, get cooking, and have a beautiful day. Oh, that's gonna be good. Watermelon boat. Check out the chef's tools at the sponsor right there. Yeah, this knife is the sharpest knife made in Germany right now. Turbo. I like it. Wild mushroom and other great chef recipes. Click that little like button. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and share this recipe with some of your friends, especially if they're into organics and vegan, you know, the wild living and foraging. And you might not even believe it's a mushroom. Don't forget about your sponsor. If you need all the cool stuff right there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. This is Appalachian Red Oak with a clear coat of food safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here.